In this video, I'm going to share with you a new feature that Gamma just recently released called their Imagine, which is giving you the ability to generate images. So you're going to want to go to gamma.app/create to get started. Go ahead and click generate. You'll notice a new graphic section where you can generate images, and it's going to give you a few different options here. You can select what you want to do: poster, team structure, invite, calendar, diagram, logo, social media, and then something else, which is kind of a blank slate, but they have these predefined examples that you can select as well. Once you select one, you can select a different variation based on that layout. So I could select an example right here. Then I can either speak my prompt or copy and paste my prompt in. I'm going to paste a prompt that I've already taken and built out with Claude. I'm going to add a few reference images, a few product shots just to put something in there, able to take the existing reference images and add those to the design, which I think is a really cool feature in how Gamma, the ability to add images into the design and the style guide and the theme and the prompt. So you can also select the theme and customize it before we go ahead and get ready to go. So you've got your standard themes, which Gamma has, and there's tons of presets here. You also have custom themes, which you can preset yourself. Doesn't take very long to do. You can add your own art and style guide and select different aspect ratios. So with that in mind, I'm going to keep the 3x4 style. I'm going to do 3 count, and I'm going to select the standard style versus premium. Premium will use more credits, so just be aware of how many credits you're using. Game is very transparent about that. And once you're ready to rock and roll, go ahead and click generate. I'm starting to build out the concepts for you. It has a few different variations of these concepts. And once it generates these concepts, we'll be able to then work back and forth and modify any of these with just simple prompts. So we can see I have a few different images here, and this is just for demonstration purposes, but we are releasing these at our show, which is tonight, just in person. So you can see I select this image, SideHustle collection, Unleash Your Grind, the logo, that's right here. It's okay, but there's stuff that I would still want to edit. So once you have a concept that you want to start with, you go ahead and click start with this concept. And now I have the ability to select and go between my different concepts and make any updates that I want. So I'm going to say, place the word grind prompt, just natural language in the chat here on the left-hand side. And then Gamma is going to go ahead and apply that edit directly to this image. See side-by-side images. We have one example here that I can toggle back and forth between: Unleash Your Unicorn, SideHustle collection, SideHustle, Urban Creative Goods, LP. I'm going to say replace the SideHustle collection with a comedy show, or noting that there's also a remove background, erase, resize, crop, restyle, delete, and even upgrading the models that you're using right here. So just keep all of this in mind inside of this interface. This is a brand new feature. As we're recording this video right now, it just came out with Gamma. You can see how it upgraded even just the lighting. It replaced the text. And I have the ability to now kind of vibe design my way around Gamma to create the final piece of imagery that I would want to produce and put out there in the world. So that's the new Imagine from Gamma. Create images and graphics and more, and use your own reference images as well inside of the graphics. It's pretty cool. I think it's a really cool feature and a sign of where Gamma's continue to go and innovate. And if you found this useful in getting you started with using Gamma and their graphic image generation, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. See you on the next video. Cheers.